So I tried to build my own fly traps, and it really didn't work out, as you can see. But then I went to Tractor Supply and I got these, and look at this. This is about 3 days, and then this one's been up since yesterday, and I just put this one right next to it. And I let the dogs poop in there so it attracts the flies, and then they go over to these fly traps that I bought, and it kills them. So if you ever are having problems with flies, definitely get these, the Trap and Toss. They're well worth every cent. I think they're only $8.